QA class. This is a brand new class, and let me to introduce myself. It may take less than 2 minutes. Okay, my name is Madhu, and let me to run a small PowerPoint presentation about myself. I'm a mechanical engineering graduate from Andhra University College of Engineering, and I did a PG diploma in management. I did software quality management course from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. I also did project management and communications from IISc Bangalore. This is my educational qualification. I am from non-IT background, just like many of you guys. To prove myself in the industry, I did multiple certifications like PMP, ITL, CST, Certified Test Engineer from Quality Assurance Institute, Certified Product Consultant from Mercury, and Six Sigma Green Belt certification. Multiple certifications I did to say that, hey, I can do. Any non-IT person can also be able to do this software testing job. So it's nice to do the certification to prove yourself in the industry. I have 18 years of software testing experience and worked in multiple countries: India 6 years, US 6 years, and Canada 6 years. Worked in multiple domains like healthcare, banking, e-commerce, pharma, materials management, human resources, telecom, insurance, investment, finance, and energy. I have more than, in the last 10 years, I conducted more than 250 batches for 2,500 individuals and corporates in QA, QTP, Selenium, BA, SQL, and PMP. Okay, this is about me. And one request to all of you guys. I know that there are so many questions are there for you. If you feel that it is appropriate to ask in the class, you ask here itself. You can use your headset or mic and ask the question, or send the chat message. I can be able to reply. If it is not appropriate to ask in the class, call me separately. After the class or tomorrow, you can call me. Any day I am available. Certain questions are not good to ask here in the class, right? So if you feel that it is common for everybody, yes, you can ask. If a personalized counseling is required, yes, I can be able to help you outside the class, not in the class. You see, there are certain things like experience, placement. These are all varies from person to person, based on personal circumstances, your locations, multiple factors about placement. So these kind of things, please ask me after the class or tomorrow. Okay. So if you have any questions anytime, just type Q and send me. Type like this Q, then I will wait. I will wait till you type the question, or you can ask the question over headset or phone. Immediately I can be able to answer you. Okay, and all of you are aware that this is a live class, and all classes will be recorded, and I will give you recorded video to everybody here in the class. Immediately after the class, I will upload this class to website. I will show you how to download the video from the website. Okay, here Malika, one question. So this is first day normally we face these kind of things. For audio, please use headset or dial to conference number. Okay, let me to send this to all of you guys. Any day, if you are not able to hear, don't get panic. Just please dial to conference number. So sometimes your internet may not work properly. If that is the case, please dial to conference number. Okay. So let us move. Okay, all classes will be recorded, and I will upload the recorded video to website. Now let me to open one PowerPoint presentation for QA training. For today's class focus is on orientation only. I will not explain too much of subject today. But tomorrow onwards, I will give you a lot of live examples on the real-time application and give you a lot of homework. Okay, let us go through the course content. By the way, have you received one Excel sheet from me? Please tell me who did not receive. I know that all of you have received this one because that's why you are here in the class. Who did not receive this Excel sheet? Please send me chat. Okay, no, I did not. Say that I have not received like that. Did you receive it? Say no. If you did not receive, please say no. Okay, Jahangir didn't receive this one. Out of 25 people here in the class, only one person didn't receive. That's a good thing. Okay, no problem. I will resend this to everybody in the class. Okay, I will send it back. Send this Excel sheet. This is the class schedule. I will send it to everybody. You are aware that we have tracks. One is that normal track, and another one is that fast track. So, okay, phone caller, please mute your mic. Hi, I am able to hear you.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Okay, so is it Malika? Okay.
Yes.
Great. Okay, thank you. Please mute your phone. Okay, all of you are aware that we have two tracks, normal track and fast track. I will tell you who is suitable for fast track, who is suitable for normal track. Okay, here we have two varieties of classes are there: manual testing classes and advanced QTP classes. Two varieties of classes are available for us. We have classes on Fridays, Saturdays, Sunday for manual testing, and QTP we have classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, on top of that, we also have Selenium classes separately. Who are all opting for a Selenium class? We have class on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, that is separate. Selenium course is separate. I don't want to confuse you by giving a lot of information. Okay, anybody, any questions? Again, request for everybody. If you have any question, please send question to everybody in the class. If you send the class only to the presenter or organizer, I won't answer in this class. Reason is that, if I answer to a private question, everybody in the class gets the confusion. So if it is a private question means, yeah, this is the candidate to explain outside the class, not in the class. Okay? So please try to cooperate with everybody in the class. Ask questions, send question to everybody. Okay, I need to mute your mic, guys. So make noise. If I mute mic, nobody can be able to talk. Okay. All of your mics are in mute condition because they are making noise. If you want to talk something, just send me one message like unmute. Then I will unmute your mic. Then you can be able to talk. Whoever would like to talk, please send me something like unmute. Whoever would like to ask the question, just type Q. Then I will ask you guys to get into the class. Ask the question. One more, guys. Okay, hi, sorry guys. All of you are able to hear me. One more request to everybody. Please join before 9 p.m. Now I'm talking as per Eastern Standard Time, right? So please join in class before 9 p.m. If you face any issues to join in the class, I can be able to help you. Okay, if you face any problem, don't call me after 9 p.m. Please don't call me after 9 p.m. because it's a disturbance to the class. Already one person called me saying that, hey, I am not able to join in the class. So I cannot be able to help you if you try to join after 9 p.m. Every day, please join by 8:45. Okay, so let us continue with fast track. So fast track means you have the classes like this. and your last day of the class would be on 14th April. It's very good that in the summer time you are completing the course before summer. Try to grab this opportunity. Catch the summer bus. What is summer bus? In general, we have a lot of job openings in the summer time, not in the winter. Don't try to apply the jobs in November and December. December, January, in general, market is dull. Summer is the excellent. If you are not able to get the job in summer, you cannot be able to get the job in winter. So try to catch the summer bus. So you are completing the course by 14th April, then you are ready to catch the summer bus. By the time, once you are done with the course, I can help you with resume preparation, mock interviews, and placement assistance in any city in USA. And what is normal track? Normal track is suitable for people who are already working in some other jobs. I know that you have a lot of other businesses or some other jobs. So if that is the case, you are not able to spend more time for study, then go with normal track. In normal track, initially you will be continuing in classes on Friday, Saturday, Sunday only. After that, once you complete the weekday classes on 10th April, end of manual testing classes, then attend the advanced QTP classes. QTP classes will start on 18th April and you can be able to complete on 19th May. Okay, 1 second here. Arif is not able to hear me, right? Okay, again, sorry guys. So first day, normally we face the issue like this. Second day onwards, you will not see these kind of issues. Okay, please dial to conference numbers in case if you are not able to hear me. Sometimes your headset may not work. Okay, so what is the last date for if you are in a normal track? 19th May. So total instruction time is 45 hours. I will send this Excel sheet to everybody. You can switch over between fast and normal track any number of times. There is no problem. Even if you start initially in the fast track, yes, you can go back to normal track. Okay, so let us run the PPT, PowerPoint presentation I am running. Because I am recording this class, if you did not understand something, I strongly recommend to play back the recorded video. Anything for, it could be course content or schedule or anything, you can be able to download the video and play it back. We have 5 weeks course, 2 courses are there. One is that manual testing. Here QA course, here we will have manual testing concepts plus quality center tool, QTP tool, performance testing concepts, Unix and SQL are part of the course on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And automation testing, we are covering here basics and advanced in QTP, including VB scripting on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, here normal track duration is 10 weeks. Manual testing classes on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. After completing the manual testing classes, attend the QTP basics and advanced classes on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, so fast track duration is 5 weeks. Manual testing classes on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, plus QTP basics and advanced classes on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. So here this you are already aware, just I am quickly moving this one because you already joined in the class, right? So that's why you are aware that you are already received my email, so you are already know this information. Okay, every day we have 90 minutes class on Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 9 to 10:30 p.m. Exactly class will start at 9 from tomorrow onwards. And QTP automation classes on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. Some repeated information, but it is shown in a different style. Okay, so please use the same link every day. All of you guys, please use the same link every day. No need to register. You can use this link and attend the classes. Daily same link. Okay, so as I said, please log in at least 15 minutes before the scheduled time. So please don't call me after 9. If you face any technical issues after 9, if you wanted to join in the class, I will give you 1-800 number. Please call the customer service representative to get into the class. Okay, I will give you one CSR number. CSR means customer service representative will help you to get into the class. Okay, so any day, if you, due to some reason, if you are not able to hear, please use these numbers for audio purpose. Okay, every day I will send you the material, running notes and material I will send you every day by email, and this is my email address, info@getsoftwareservices.com. Please add this to your contact list. Otherwise, if you are not able to add this to contact list, my email will go to the spam folder. Please make sure that you added my address to your contact list. Okay, any day, if you have any questions, you can reach me at these numbers. I have given both US and Canada number. Email is also given. The best way to reach me is that email. If you send me email, I can be able to reply within 4 business hours. Okay, so please send me email or call me. Okay, so what other add-on services I can help you, provide you? I can give you a lot of homework every day and one-on-one homework review. What is one-on-one? One-on-one means, nobody will be there in the class. You and me will be there. I will log into your computer and explain you what mistakes you are doing. How to improve yourself, I can be able to explain you. You are running some automation tool. For example, QTP automation tool, there is some problem. So what I can do is that I can log into your computer and fix the issue and explain you how to fix the problem. In addition to that, I will give you a lot of homework, exercises and assignments. Remote lab access I will provide you. That means from your home, you can remotely log into my lab and do the practicals. I will explain you how to use the remote lab in real time at our workplace. In real time, once you join in the software testing job, you will use the remote lab. Now it's a kind of practice for you. Before you go to your workplace, you are getting some practice, hands-on experience about how to log into remote computers. Again, please note that this class is meant for non-IT background people who never worked in IT, who never undergone any training programs in IT. This is one of the best class. That means I will explain you a lot of concepts from the scratch, like how to check RAM size, IP address, or browser versions. Such kind of minute details also will be explained in the class. Okay, at the end of the class, I will help you with resume walkthrough, mock interviews, and every day I will give you recorded videos. Immediately after the class, I will upload the videos to the website. I will show you how to download the videos from the website. In few minutes, I will explain you. That means I will walk through you. I will walk through how to download from the website. If required, you can rejoin all the classes any number of times. There is no limitation on the repetition of the class. Any number of times you can repeat the course if required. I will give you a lot of resume marketing tips. If required, I can be able to do the marketing and get the placement in USA. Hi Ahmad. I will give you placement assistance and on-job support also I will be providing. What is on-job support? If you are running any issues at our workplace, I can be able to help you. I can remotely log into your computer and explain how to fix the problem. Okay, so how is the job market? As I said, you have a lot of questions. If it is appropriate to ask in the class, yes, you can ask here in the class. If you feel that it is your private question, call me privately, outside the class. And one more thing, I will answer to a lot of frequently asked questions now, like how is the job market after the course? Is there any chance to get the job or not? What kind of help I can provide you for the placement? How much salary I can expect? These kind of general things, general information I will be giving you today. Okay, so how is the job market? Excellent job market is there. How is the economy now in US? Wonderful, excellent, right? It is in boom condition. Now we have the lowest unemployment rate now in this year. What is the unemployment rate? What is the current unemployment rate in USA? 4.9%. It is general overall unemployment rate. What is the IT unemployment rate? This is general unemployment rate. What is the IT unemployment rate? It is less than 2% every year. IT, lot of job scarcity is there. Lot of jobs are available in IT. People are not available. That's why many people every year are coming to this country on work visas. So here, lot of jobs are available. There is no problem for the placement. Excellent market is there, and 85% jobs are there here in the manual testing. You see, so I'm talking about software testing. In testing, software testing, assume that 100 jobs are available. Out of 100, 85% jobs are there in the manual testing. Automation, we have 13% jobs only. Performance testing, 2% jobs only available. Oh, then you can ask me a question. Oh, why I am seeing so many jobs in automation testing? Every company is asking for automation tools like QTP, Selenium, Quality Center. These kind of tools are asked in the job advertisement. Why every company is asking for automation? Actually, majority jobs are there in the manual testing. Lot of jobs are there available in manual testing only. Reason is that comparatively automation, manual testing is very easy. Comparatively automation need coding skills, programming skills. That means if you are using Selenium automation tool, you need to know Java. If you are not aware of Java, you cannot use the automation tool. If you are using QTP, you need to know the VB scripting language. Without those programming languages, you cannot be able to use those tools. So this is nothing but a developer job. If you know the language, why you need to come to the testing? You can go as a Java developer, right? If you know Java, you can go for Java developer. Why you are coming for testing? So that's why many developers will not come to the testing. So if you are a tester from non-IT background, it is a little bit of difficult for you to learn automation. If you are from non-IT background, I know that all of you are here. Some of you are turning on the cameras. Please turn off. Here, if you are aware of the automation, you need to know if you are aware of the automation, you stick to automation. It is very difficult to identify the person with automation skill in the market. In market, we have very, very limited people who knows Selenium or QTP. It is very difficult to fill this position. Please note that automation tester position, we have three varieties of jobs are there. Manual tester, automation tester, performance tester. Separate job titles. Manual tester, automation tester, performance tester. It is very difficult to fill automation tester position. Why? Because skilled people are not available. Person should know Java or VB scripting, right? So those people are not available. So it's not possible to fill this position immediately. So that's why companies give advertisements again and again. They are not able to fill this job. Company is not able to fill this job. So HR people will give advertisements again and again. That's why you are seeing so many job advertisements. Manual testing job filling is easy. It is easy to fill the manual testing job. So companies won't give the job advertisement even one time also. Single time also they won't give the job advertisement. Oh, without giving job advertisement, how they are getting the resumes? Many people send resumes through referrals. Referrals are, voluntarily they go to the company website and apply, right? So in this way, manual testing positions are getting filled. Companies never give, in general, companies won't give advertisements for manual tester positions, even though 85% jobs are there in the manual testing. For automation testing, again and again, daily they give the advertisement. But reality, what is the reality? Majority jobs are there in the manual testing. Okay, any question on this one, anybody? Again, please ask the question if you feel that it is common to everybody in the class. Okay. Now let us go to the next slide. What tools we will be learning in this class? Okay, Harpreet. I will wait till Harpreet types the question. Thank you, Harpreet, for following the guidelines. Everybody, please follow the guidelines. Just like Harpreet sent a Q. Q means she is typing some question now. Pooja is also trying to ask the question. Excellent. I encourage all of you guys to ask a lot of questions. Even it is a small question or easy question, don't feel bad. You can ask me the question. Here, first question from Pooja. How is the job market in Canada? Okay, so this year, we are seeing a little, because of oil price drop in Alberta, there is a kind of recession is there, Alberta state, Alberta province. So that impact is there in other parts in the Canada. So not only the IT job market, entire job market is impacted. Even if I wanted to work in, McDonald's, a lot of competition is there. So that is a reality. So, however, you need not to worry about the competition. If you are the skilled person, yes, you are able to get the job, no doubt. But in USA, excellent job market is there at this time. Just within 2 weeks, people are able to get the job as per the current market trend. Okay, question from Harpreet. Automation testing. Instructor will teach programming from which level, starting or somewhere in between? Okay, from the beginning, we are teaching all the required concepts. Our goal is that to clear the job interview and perform the automation job activities independently at our workplace without support. Without support, you should be able to perform your job independently. So that is the goal. So if you follow the instructions, whatever is given in the class, it is easy to get the job. Okay, question from Jahangir. After completion of manual testing, is better if I learn Java and automation testing? If I have interest in language, yes, Jahangir. Based on your available time, yes, sometimes first you learn manual testing, after that go for automation, or both together based on your availability. So what is our focus? Priya question is that what is our focus? Our focus is that 75% on the automation tools, 25% on the manual testing. Question from Dilip. Does functional consultants use automation testing or manual testing? Yes, both. Dilip, consultant. What is the meaning of the consultant? Consultant means that person is the all-rounder. That person knows everything. That is the meaning here actually in QA consultant. QA consultant means that person can be able to do everything as per the market expectation. So your consultant should be aware of the automation. Question from Harpreet, do we need to do any certification? Yes, I will explain you that question in next slide, Harpreet. Trupti question, if you don't have IT background, IT experience, is that easy to get the job in testing? No, it is not easy to get the job without 5 years of the experience in the market. If you have any questions, please call me tomorrow. Jobs are available only for experienced people here. Okay, so let us see what tools we will be learning here. We will be learning test management tools like Quality Center. There are many tools like Quality Center, ClearQuest, QA Complete. So many tools are there for the test management. Why we are learning Quality Center only here in the class? Quality Center is the market leader. Let us learn the market leader, then it is easy to work with other tools. Okay, this Quality Center, okay, let me explain you something. Driving is a concept, here, assume that you are a good driver, all of you are good drivers. What car you are driving? Maybe for example, Toyota brand you are driving. You are one of the best driver. If I give you Honda car, are you able to drive Honda car? Yes. Why? Because you are already aware of how to drive a car. Learning, you learned the driving. You know how to drive. So you don't care about the brand or make of the car. What is the brand or make? No need to worry. Are you aware of the driving concepts? Do you have valid driver's license? Do you have insurance? Yes, done. Any brand or make, not a problem. First 5 minutes, if I give a new brand or new make, if I give you a little bit of confusion for 5 minutes, after that you are good, right? So similarly, if you know Quality Center tool, if I give you ClearQuest tool in our company, nothing. So don't worry, in the job advertisements you will see a lot of tools. No need to worry after seeing all the tools. If you learn similar kind of tool, you are fine. If you know Quality Center, ClearQuest is nothing. One recruiter may call you. Okay, Jahangir, do you have ClearQuest knowledge? Oh, ClearQuest, I never learnt it. Don't worry. If you are not aware of ClearQuest, it is not a problem. Are you aware of Quality Center? Yes. Then you say that yes, I know. I can use ClearQuest. Why? How you can use ClearQuest? Because you learn the concept here. You learn how to use the tool. The testing concepts you learnt it. Same principles you are applying in other tools also. Okay. For defect tracking, again we will use Quality Center tool only. Its competitors like ClearQuest, Bugzilla, PVCS, many tools are there. No need to worry. For functionality testings, we will learn QTP. QTP, the automation is a little bit of different, not like test management defect tracking. So this is using VB scripting language. QTP is using VB scripting, whereas Selenium is using Java. This is one of the tough tool because Java coding is a little bit of tough for non-IT background people. I am not discouraging. I am also from non-IT background. Yes, we can do it. It is not a rocket science. But we need to work hard. All non-IT background people need to work hard to beat the competition and to stand in the first row of the, you need to work hard. Okay, I will give you step-by-step process about how to build the subject and how to beat the competition. I will give you the study plan. Okay, as I said, you have a lot of questions. All questions will be answered automatically within this 90 minutes orientation class. Please wait. Okay, there with performance testing, there are many tools like load runner, Silk Performer, rational load. Lot of tools are there. Manual tester need not to learn any tool, but I can provide you what is our role in terms of performance testing. How to answer in the interviews, this kind of tips I can provide you. Okay, so now another question from you is that who can work as a QA? Many of you guys told me that, hey, I'm from non-IT background, or previously I was working in some area, now some field. Now I wanted to switch over to another area. Am I eligible to work? Yes, if you have out-of-box thinking attitude. Yes, we can do kind of attitude. If you are open to learn new technologies, you are eligible to work as a software tester. If you wanted to update your skills continuously, yes, you can do it. And a little bit of database knowledge is required. I will give you a plan about how to learn database. That means SQL. SQL means structured query language. The plan for learning SQL also I will be giving you in the next few days. And nice to know some programming language. If you are not aware of the programming language, don't worry. I will teach you everything from the scratch. Okay, so if you have this kind of qualities, yes, you can be able to do QA job. Please note that it is not easy to get the tester job. I think many of your friends or relatives told you that, hey, go and do that QA course. You can be able to get the job. That's what the suggestion from many of your friends or relatives. QA software testing is not easy to get this job. If it is easy, why Walmart is paying $45 per hour? If you are a tester for Walmart company, if you are a tester in a Walmart, you will get at least $45 per hour. Same Walmart is paying me only federal minimum wage around $10 or $11 per hour. If I work in stores as a associate, billing clerk, I mean, point of sale, as I'm working as a billing clerk, Walmart company is paying me only $11 per hour. Same Walmart pays $45 per hour for a tester. Why they are paying more? Because some specialized skill is required. It is not easy job. We need to learn a lot of concepts here. It is not like regular other jobs. Same company, but role is different. You are getting more money. Again, I am not discouraging you. I am just trying to set some expectation about your study. You need to work hard and study hard. If you have that kind of attitude, then only you are eligible to work as a QA. And again, it is not a rocket science. Yes, we can do it, but at the same time, it is not easy. I will give you a study plan. If you just implement that, you can be able to reach your goal in less than 3-4 months. Please wait for the study plan. In few minutes, I will give you. And few minutes back, Harpreet asked the question, am I required to do any certification? Okay. Now, let me give you one example. Because now spring is coming, right? So, I felt that already some kind of summer sensation. I need to buy a fan. I did go to Walmart to buy a fan. I saw two brands of the fans. I found that both looks good. Same cost, almost the $30 is the cost of the fan number one. First brand is $30. Second brand also $30. I'm not able to decide what brand of the car I want to buy. Both power rating, performance, I don't know, these brands are not known to me. Those are unknown brands for me. I'm not able to decide. But finally I found that, hey, this one contains, ISO mark. ISO certification is there on this brand number 2. Could you guess which brand I picked up out of 1 and 2? If you are in my position, what brand of the fan you pick up? Number 2. Why? Because it is certified. It is known for ISO is a symbol for the quality. Without any hesitation, we can buy number 2 because both are not known. Okay, same thing happens in job market also. Your hiring manager, your manager received 10 resumes for a position. Assume like this. 10 resumes are received. All resumes looks like same. Every person has a experience. All are unknown people. All resumes are unknown to this manager. And your manager decided to give $45 per hour as per company policy. They have a rate for a tester $45 per hour. Those are not known to your manager. Your manager is not able to decide whom to call for interview. Oh, your manager found that one of this resume has ISTQB certification. This guy, resume number 4 guy, mentioned that, hey, I am a ISTQB certified person. ISTQB means International Software Testing Qualification Board has given some certification to this guy. Then could you tell me who have the more chances to get the interview call comparatively everybody? Who have the more chances to get the interview call? Number 4 guy. Why? Because there is a kind of filtration. Your manager gets some confidence here on this number, this person. This guy is already tested by ISTQB. So something is better than nothing. Please note that something is better than nothing, right? So this guy has something special comparatively other people. Do you want to say that, hey, I am something special? Then go for certification. Otherwise, don't go for a certification. You see here, fans also, brand number 1 fan, are they not selling? Yes, they are selling. They are also able to sell some of the items, not only number 2. Number 2 sales are more, number 1 also, they are selling something. So, certification is not mandatory. You see, that means without certification, can't I get the job? Yes, you can get the job. Without certification also, you can be able to get the job, no doubt. You see, without certification, I was able to get the job. But it is nice to have the certification to say that, hey, I am certified. If you have the certification, advantage that you can bargain for more money in the interview. See, instead of $45, you can ask for 50. Hey, I am a knowledgeable person. It gives you confidence. If you are appearing for a certification means, if you are trying to write the certification means, you will work hard to clear the certification, right? So it enhances your knowledge. Knowledge is power. Okay, it's a, if you have the knowledge, you can be able to clear the interview. Okay, so it's a kind of benchmark for certification is a benchmark for your knowledge. So here two major organizations are there, QAI and ISTQB, Quality Assurance Institute and ISTQB are there. Any certification is fine. Whatever may be the certification, they have their own market. Just like Apple iPhone or Samsung phone. What is good? Both are good based on the person's taste, right? Apple iPhone is good and Samsung is also fine. So these two are top 2 companies, number 1, number 2, top 2 organizations. So something is better than nothing. There is no difference, almost same. you can write the certification from any of the organization. At the end of the class, you should be able to write the certification on your own. Special training is not required. Okay, the course, whatever I give you, that is good enough to clear the certification. Separate training is not required. However, if you need a separate training, yes, I can provide you. And other certification from HP, like QTP certification or quality center certification, if you are interested, you can do those things also. Okay, any question about, okay, I will give you more details about certification down the line. Just to visit those websites, it will give you a lot of answers. After that, I will give you some special information. Okay, Pooja has some question. I'm waiting for Pooja's question. She's typing. Okay, sometimes you can also use your phone. Okay. Here, question from Pooja. What is the right time to join certification after attending how many sessions of this program? Okay. So, you, based on your education background, it depends. So, if you call me separately tomorrow, I can give you personalized suggestions. However, my answer is that after course, you pay the examination fee and write the exam. In general, 2 or 3 months time is required to clear the certification. Okay, how to get the job? Referrals. There is no, this is one of the powerful way to get the referrals. For example, my friend is working in Bank of America. Okay, I can ask my friend to refer my resume. So that is one of the best thing, or otherwise directly apply in the Bank of America website. Directly online, directly applying, apply for jobs by doing job search directly. Here it is. Directly apply to companies in their careers website, or otherwise online job portals like dice.com. In USA, we have excellent website dice.com. In Canada, Workopolis. Canadians, you can go through website Workopolis. In US residents, please use DICE, and both countries use Indeed and Monster. US and Canada use Indeed or Monster. So these websites, you can post it and daily you can be able to apply. Do some research. So many other websites also available. You can apply from those websites also. Or consulting companies also can be able to help you. There are some disadvantages with going through consulting companies. I will explain you those advantages and disadvantages in my future classes, or you can call me separately. I can be able to explain you separately. Okay, so any questions? Okay, this is our running notes. Every day I will send you this running notes through email. At the end of the class, you will receive this running notes in Word document. Whatever I explain here, I type here in this one. You need not to write anything. It is not required to write anything. Everything I will type here, and I will give you a recorded video also, plus all the material. all the files, whatever I open here on my computer, everything will be shared through, not only through email, I will upload all the materials and videos to Get Software Services website. GSS website, I will upload the videos. Okay, let me to walk through you about how to download the videos from the website in few minutes. Okay, so you can call me any day after 6 p.m. to 11:30 Eastern time, you can call me. Or weekends, anytime is fine. Saturday, Sunday, anytime you are welcome to call me. These are all my contact numbers. And email address is given here. Okay, and if you are not able to hear over headset, please dial to conference. Some of you guys are not able to hear me, right? If you are not able to hear me over headset, please dial to those conference numbers. Please note it down there. Okay, after 9 p.m., if you try to join the class after 9 p.m., I cannot be able to help you, right? If there is a case, please call to customer support at this number, then CSR will help you. Don't call me after 9 p.m. Before 9 only, I can be able to answer your call. If you call me after 9, why I cannot help you? Because I am already in the class. So please join by 8:45. Okay, let us quickly recap about manual testing. 5 weeks class, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Eastern time. Here we will discuss about manual testing concepts, quality center in detail, basics of the QTP, basics of performance testing, introduction to Unix, introduction to SQL. And detailed course content is here in this link. Let me to click on this link. You will see the course content here. Here question from Malika. It's already discussed, Malika. Just please call me tomorrow. I will explain. You are just to play the recorded video, and otherwise you can call me tomorrow. This just we discussed that a few minutes back. This is the detailed course content. Please go through this one. And advanced QTP, we will be discussing about basics of QTP, UFT, VB scripting, advanced QTP, integration of QTP quality center, descriptive programming, database testing. Lot of stuff is there. However, detailed course content is available at this link. Just I click on this link, you can see the detailed course content here in this QTP training. Okay, so reference books. It is nice to have some reference book. I recommend to go through this book, Software Engineering, a Practitioner Approach. Author name is that Roger Pressman. You can use any other book, that's fine. Okay, so this book you can be able to buy from Amazon or library. Library also is available. Or Biblio.com. Biblio.com is a used books stores, online stores. You can buy from there, or online also it is available. Online PDF file it is available. Just you can go through the printed copy or soft copy. Okay, for SQL, I recommend to go through W3 Schools SQL tutorial. You can go through this one. These are all the reference books. Okay, next question is that how many number of hours you need to study to face client interview. To face the interview, answer is that 200 hours. Minimum 200 hours study is required. All together. From today, if you count 200 hours you need to study on top of my class. My instruction time is 45 hours. In addition to that, you need to study minimum 200 hours. You need to balance what areas you need to study. For that purpose, you need to have a study plan. So let me give you the study plan. Send the study plan to all of you guys after the class. No need to write anything about the study plan. Okay, this is the plan. You can modify the plan based on your education background. I am recommending to my estimated study hours is 200 hours total. I am asking to study all these topics, topic wise. For example, SDLC study 8 hours. Then this is my recommendation. You write down how many number of hours you studied here. For example, you studied 2 hours, write down here. That means I am asking you to log the study time. Log means document the study hours. Okay, you studied 2 hours. Types of testing, you studied 3 hours. QTP 1 hour and quality center 4 hours only you studied. Total you studied, I studied 10 hours only. I studied 10 hours, but Madhu recommended 200 hours. I studied 10 hours only, and what is the recommendation? 200 hours. Can I expect the job? Is there any job guarantee? Some of you guys asked me this question before joining the class. Is there any job guarantee? I say no job guarantee. I will not give any job guarantee. Even if you study in Harvard University, no job guarantee. Is there any guarantee for the job? Any university will not give you the guarantee. Job depends on us. You know how we are able to present or we are able to sell ourselves in the interview. Okay, I can push you to interview room. If you are not able to answer in the interview, you will not get the interview. You will not get the job. So, no job guarantee. Anywhere, not only software, even McDonald's also there is no job guarantee if I am not able to perform in interview. So, multiple factors are there to get the job. Market is good, you know. Do you think that how many testers are there? There are more than 500,000 testers are there throughout USA. More than 500,000 testers. Oh, lot of jobs. Lot of people are there. Yes, already lot of people are there. But still, market is growing. Lot of new jobs are getting created every year. You see the technology, every year new technologies are coming up. Like, you know, smart watches, smartphone, or smart car, you know, driverless cars. So many things are coming up, like drones. You know, Amazon is planning to deliver the items through drones. You know, those kind of technologies are coming up. So, a lot of new testing jobs are getting created every year. Don't worry. So, because every year new inventions are coming up, a lot of testers are required. Okay, so to get the job, you need to work hard. Okay, now let me go to next one. Okay, how much salary I can get? This is another question from you guys. If you wanted to know exactly how much salary you can get, go to some website like glassdoor.com. Is it opening? Oh, it's not opening. Is it broken? Is it a broken link? What is broken link? Broken link means when I am clicking some link, it is not opening. Oh, it's not broken. Oh, it's opened finally. It took some time. So, for example, you wanted to know what is the Selenium tester, Selenium automation tester, what is the salary in New York City? Okay, New York City, what is the salaries in New York City? Just if you type like this, you will get the answers. I don't know why it is asking again. have to go salaries, right? Sorry. Click on salaries first. Click on salaries. So, like this, job research sites are available. You can go to that place. You can be able to find the answers. It is asking me to upload the resume first. Okay. So where is the answer? I think I need to log in, because I'm 1 second, guys. I forgotten my username and password. Unless I log in, it may not give. Okay, I'm giving you this as a activity to research on this. But however, let me to give you my answer. If you are a manual tester, assume that you are applying for a manual tester position, and assume that you have permanent residency, or you are a citizen, or employment authorization document with 5 years of experience. For full timers, you will get at least $70,000. Minimum salary for a tester for full time job means 70K plus bonus. Many companies give bonus 5 to 10% plus paid vacation plus 401K plan. It is same as RRSP it is called as RRSP in Canada. Sick leave, health insurance, life insurance, tuition fee refund, everything together around 100K per year cost to company. If you convert everything, vacation, everything, it is coming around 100K. This is the salary trend. You can research in Glassdoor. As I said, Glassdoor or similar kind of websites, you can research. In your city, job title, company name also. For example, Bank of America, how much salary they are offering. Company wise also, you can get the details. If it is a contract position, you will get at least $40 to $45 per hour. If you are a contractor, no benefits. These are all the benefits. Highlighted things are benefits. Okay. If you are an automation tester, you will get at least 80K per year for full time plus benefits. Contract automation QTP contractor will get $50 to $55 per hour. Automation Selenium around 90,000 per hour per year for full time. Contractor will get 65 to 70 per hour. This is the current market rate. Any question on this, anybody? What you observed here, comparatively manual testing, automation salary is more. Right, that is the observation. Yes, Malika, is same in Canada also. Same. Dollar wise, it's same. Okay. So as I said, it is nice to do the certification, but not mandatory. Certification is a benchmark for our skill set. The knowledge is power. So to shortlist resume for job interview, certification is a tool. Where to write the certification? Go to Prometric Center and write the test through online. Okay, what is Prometric Center? Do some research. How to do the research? Go to Google and ask what is Prometric Center. That will give you the answer. If you are not able to get the answer, call me. I will help you. If you are not aware of something, ask Google. Google will give you the answer. Anything, whatever may be the question, type exactly your question, you will get the answer. Okay, I will provide the remote lab access. That means from your home, you can remotely log into the lab and do the practicals. So lab access is a kind of complementary for you. So I strongly encourage to set up your own lab, but I know that in home environment, it is difficult to set up your own lab. It is expensive. Lab setup is expensive at your home. However, I can give you some lab access. I will explain you how to access the lab in few minutes. Question from Trupti, 200 hours study. Do we have to study the materials given by me and plus lab? Yes, you are right. So lab time, 200 hours includes your lab practice. I will give you a lot of material and daily homework. Every day I will give you homework from tomorrow. Today I will not give you any homework. From tomorrow onwards I will give you a lot of homework. So it is a must to do the homework to get the maximum benefit from the course. So 200 hours study, how to do that I will explain you every day. So I can give you the remote lab for the QC, that means HPALM Quality Center, or QTP, it is also called as UFT, Unified Functional Testing Tool. Both are same, QTP and UFT are same. So I will give you a lab for these three, QC, QTP and Unix. You can be able to set up lab for Selenium on your own, it's not a problem. Just go through this for 1 minute. Okay, so and I will give you software to download and install on your computer. You can download HPLM Quality Center software from this link, and to install this Quality Center you need Microsoft Server operating system. Please note, this is server operating system 2008 is required, otherwise you cannot be able to install this Quality Center. So question from Srividya, is it necessary to have Windows system? No, not compulsory. Mac also fine, but all softwares you cannot be able to install on Mac. If you are not able to install software, that's fine, you can use MyLab. From your home you can remotely log into MyLab and do the practical. From Mac you can be able to log into my computer remotely and do the practical, or otherwise buy another Windows operating system. QTP you can download from this link, install it. You can install on Windows XP or Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8. You can be able to install. No Windows 10 so far. LoadRunner you can download and install. All the softwares works only 1 month. After 30 days they won't work because they are all trial versions. Okay, let me to give you some action points for you guys. Today, please register as a student to access videos and material at www.getsoftwareservices.com. So let me to go through this one. Let me to walk through you your action items. What you have to do is that first go to this website getsoftwareservices.com and click on students and register. Okay, one registration form opens. You see, or otherwise you click on this link, direct link, here it is. Let me to ping this link to everybody. Please click on this, let me to do this one. 1 second. Okay, I send the link. Everybody please click on that. I sent you link through chat message. Please click on that. Then it will open the registration page, right? This is the registration page. Now please come back to my computer, my screen. This is the registration form. Just please fill it. No need to pay anything. Just this is required to access the videos. Once you register, I will approve your registration within 4 hours. Don't try to log in immediately. Don't try to log in immediately after registration. Please wait for 4 hours to log in. After 4 hours, I will approve. Within 4 hours, I will approve your registration. Then you can log in. Whoever already registered, I will approve all of your registration after 1 hour. Today after the class, I will approve the registrations done by all of you guys. So please register and wait for a few minutes, then I will approve. So now let me to show you the procedure to log in. After registration, please wait few hours to approve your registration. You can log into website only after my manual approval. Never click on forget password link. This is not working. Forget password link is not working. Please don't click on that. Okay, so how to log in? Just click on this, log in. For example, I registered with my user ID madhusudan_t@yahoo.com. Madhusudan is my full name. Madhu is my preferred name. Madhu is preferred name or short name. Madhusudana is my full name. Okay, click on email and password, enter username and password. Then you can be able to see this screen. Okay, so then click on view videos. You can see all the previous class videos. You see March 10th, 9th, 8th, 7th, 6th, 5th. See all previous class videos also you can be able to see. Daily videos. Every day, immediately after the class, I will upload the video to website. Okay, just click on download and you can save this in your local computer. Download and save in your local computer and play anytime. It's a permanent copy for you. On demand, you can play anywhere. Okay, and material. I have a lot of material here. Click on view material. You can go download and go through all the material. So this is not accessible to everybody. Only registered people only can be able to see. I will approve all of your registration today. Okay, immediately after the class, please register. Okay, so that is your action item. Your action item is that register there. Then I will send you running notes and material to everybody. Whoever register to receive running notes and material from me every day. Please register there today itself. No registration, I won't send you material. If you did not register today, I will not send you running notes and material. Recorded video also I will not send you. So please register to receive the running notes, videos and material. Okay, any question on this one, registration? Anybody? Okay, Kiran, I will wait. It is not taking my email address. So, okay, it's okay. Just send me your one email, Kiran. Definitely, I will look into that. I don't know why it is not taking. What message you are getting? Just send me through email. Whoever already registered. Okay, you might tried it. Just send me test mail. I will look into I will fix the problem. If anybody has any personal questions, please send me email. I will reply to those questions. Okay, so Jinya, I will wait. Nabila, okay, just what is your question? Whoever already registered, I will approve all of your registration after 1 hour. Okay, if whoever already registered, no need to worry. Okay, it is observed that Nabila, okay, I will look into that one, Nabila. But please make sure that you did not click on. If you click the forget password, it won't work. Don't click on that. Okay, let me to ask you one question. However, I know that all of you will register. Could you send me your email address, everybody? I am not able to see your email addresses here. Please type your email address now to private only to me organizer, or you need not to send to everybody, just only to the organizer. You can select my name only, presenter, and send me your email addresses. I will add you to mailing list. You can register there, or you can send me your email address in private messages. Okay, thank you everybody for sending this one. Yeah, great, thank you. All of you are sending me your email addresses in private mode. Perfect, that's good. However, please register again. It is must to register. Down the line, if you need my future communication, it is a must to register. Okay, great. Thank you, all of you, for sending your email address. Okay, now let us see. Okay, Rinki has one question. Okay, question is that will it allow us to log in on what website in that website after approval? Yes, definitely. Once I approve, you must be able to log in, download all the videos every day. Material also you can be able to download. Okay, so let us come to the manual testing job titles. What job titles you can apply? Test engineer, QA engineer, software tester, functionality tester, black box functionality tester, QA tester, QA test engineer, QA analyst, test analyst. These are all the job titles. Automation test engineer job titles, like automation tester, QA tester, QTP automation tester, Selenium automation tester, and performance tester in out of scope for this class. I will not explain you about how to do the performance testing exactly, but what is your role as a manual tester in terms of performance testing. I will explain you that one. So performance tester job titles like performance tester, load runner tester, non-functionality tester, like this different job titles are there. We also have some other job titles like mobile tester. I will explain you. This mobile testing is very important one. Every company, for example, Bank of America, so many mobile tester positions are available. If there is no mobile testing word, in your resume, nobody will call you for interview. Okay, so mobile tester positions are available. Some other web service titles like web services tester, backend tester, ETL tester, data warehouse tester, SAP tester, so many are there. Those red color items, I will not explain you. They are out of scope, out of this class. Okay, let us jump into the subject. Let us talk something about what is meant by testing. Very simple. comparison of expected result and actual result. That is testing. Compare. Both are same. Expected result and actual result are same. Say that test is passed. Otherwise, test is failed. Expected result is not equal. This is the symbol for not equal. If expected result is not equal to actual result, say that test is failed. So let us talk on some live application today. We have another 6 minutes, right? So I will extend class by 5 minutes because we started 5 minutes late. So I will extend class up to 10:35. Question from Jahangir: in this course, will we learn about mobile testing? Yes, manual mobile testing we will learn. Okay, so today, every day I will explain you a lot of examples on real application. Today I will explain you one of the real application. For example, there is a company called Citrix. Citrix is a company who is good at remote desktop software. What is remote desktop? For example, you are able to see my screen from your home. How you are able to see? Because of Citrix company. Citrix company developed some tools like, some products like GoToMeeting, GoToTraining, GoToWebinar. These kind of softwares are developed by Citrix. So because Citrix company, you are able to see my screen remotely. Okay. So in every company, almost all companies, Citrix software is available. Citrix is a must in every company for remote desktop access, for remote applications access. You will be learning them. Today, I will explain you GoToMeeting software here as an example. This is a SaaS software. GoToMeeting is a SaaS. What is SaaS? Software as a service. Who developed GoToMeeting? Citrix company. Citrix company is providing the service to their customer. Who is their customer? Madhu. Madhu is the customer of Citrix company. Why I am a customer? Because I am paying the monthly subscription. Every month I am paying fee to utilize their service. To utilize GoToMeeting service, I am paying monthly fee. So that's why it is called a software as a service. Pay as you go. Pay as you go, you are aware, right? So I am paying and getting the service. So SaaS means software as a service. One job advertisement is like this. Job advertisement. We are looking for a tester who have experience in SaaS. SaaS testing. What is SaaS? Customer interfacing software. We are all customers of GoToMeeting. You are indirect customer, I am a direct customer. Okay, so SaaS software testing, the experienced people are required. There is a job advertisement. Okay, so let me to explain you some features in the GoToMeeting. The GoToMeeting software, okay, let me to give you something. GoToMeeting software service is provided by Citrix company. Testing is nothing but applying the common sense. We will see that one. Testing is not easy. Compatible software coding and programming. Testing is easy. Okay, software testing is make it easy. 1 second here. 1 second. Citrix developed GoToMeeting software. Okay. Now let me to give you the requirement. 1 second. Let me to move this one. Just I'm doing some adjustment in the running notes. Okay. Citrix developed GoToMeeting software. Requirement of the software is like this. Participants of GoToMeeting are able to use the chat messages. This is the requirement of the software. Another requirement is that participants of GoToMeeting are able to hear audio using headset or telephone. Okay, two requirements. Trainer or presenter of meeting is able to use drawing pens. Presenter of GoToMeeting is able to use the drawing pens. So these are all the requirements. Let me to explain you the testing here. Participants of GoToMeeting are able to use chat message. Are you able to send the chat message? Expectation is that here the expectation is that participants are able to send the chat message. That is the expected result. What is the actual result? Are you able to send the chat message? Yes, right? So expected and actual result are same, so the test is passed. Are you able to use headset? Yes. Are you able to hear audio using headset? Yes. Expected and actual are same? Yes. Say that test is passed. Okay, is the trainer able to use the drawing? Are you able to see the drawing here immediately? Yes. That is the expectation. Actual also same. So test is passed. Is the trainer able to erase the drawing? Let me to erase it. Okay, there is a erase button here. You are not able to see. You see, you are seeing my mouse movement, right? Here actually, you people are not able to see. Here I have erase button. I clicked erase, then it is gone. So that is the expectation. Is that actually same thing is happening? Yes. Is the trainer is able to use the spotlight? Participants are able to see it? Yes. So expected and actual are same. Trainer can be able to any mic. I can be able to mute your mic or headset. Right? So many features are there. So our first today's I am giving you one live or real application or the software which is already in production. I am giving you some awareness about how to do the testing. So these are all real test cases. A lot of you guys have asked me question, can you give me live project? Why don't you treat this as a live project? This is live or real. Actually, please note that it is impossible to give the live project. Many training institutes say that, hey, we will give the live project. But that's not true. It is impossible. It is impossible to give the live project for by a training institute. But we can simulate it. We can simulate and tell that, okay, treat this as a live and do some testing. So GoToMeeting, I have explained something. I will explain you what bugs are there in GoToMeeting. This is a live application, great application by one of the greatest companies, Citrix. I will show you a lot of bugs in GoToMeeting. I can explain you so many defects in Amazon.com or Walmart.com. I will show you a lot of bugs. How to identify the bugs on the live application, I will explain you in future classes. Today just we got some awareness about what is meant by testing. Very simple. Expected and actual or not. We need to check it. If something is not as per the expectation, fail it. That's all. That is your job. Your job is the fault finding. Are you a good fault finder? If yes, you are the best tester. Find the fault and get the money. Oh, For finding the faults, company is paying you money. It's good, right? Question from Mallika. What is the difference between bugs and defects? It's a good question. I will explain you that, Mallika, in future classes. There is a bug life cycle, defect life cycle. I will explain you in that class. It's a very good question. In case, please remind me in that topic. I need to explain some little bit of background to give you the answer. Or if it is urgent, call me tomorrow. I can be able to explain you tomorrow itself. Okay, any questions, guys? Just apply the common sense. That's it. And again, please note the testing is not easy. But comparatively for coding, testing is easy. But testing itself is not easy. Let us make this easy. Okay, so let us stop here. What is tomorrow's date? March 12th, right? Tomorrow is March 12th. We will continue tomorrow, and we will discuss a lot of some important, very interesting topics in testing. It's just like a game, funny game. We will discuss a lot of interesting items in tomorrow's class. So today, first day, right? So I don't want to give you homework. From tomorrow onwards, I will make you busy. Okay, I will send you recorded video and training material after half an hour. Please check your spam folder also every day. Please note. Check the spam folder. Sometimes, if you are not able to check the spam folder, you got a lot of prize money also. Do you know? Few weeks ago, one person checked the spam folder, got the prize money. Yale University has given some award. To one of the book author, but that did go to the spam folder. This is big news yesterday, 2 days back. Where is that? So please spam folder every day for my email also. Luckily, that author found, you see, writer found 150K prize in her junk mails. Yale University sent that email, but writer found it in junk. If she did not find that in junk mail, she would get 150K prize money. So before deleting the mails every day in junk, please check that. There may be some valuable information. So after the class, please check your spam folder also to see my email, because I am sending the email to more than 30 people every day, right? So by default, it may go to the junk. Google treats that it is a junk mail and it will send to the junk. Okay, any questions? Okay, Saujanya, go ahead. If you have any questions, personal questions, please call me any time tomorrow. If it is a common question, now. Do we also to get a chance of practicing SQL in lab? Yes, Saujanya, I can give you workaround to practice SQL also in lab. Okay, guys, any other questions, anybody? Okay. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining here. Let us meet tomorrow. Have a good night and good weekend, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.